Hello guys, welcome to Lukas's Toy Collection. Today I'm going to be opening up the Inside Phantom Firetruck 3000. The set number is 70436 and here's a look at the back. It kind of says like 1, build it, 2, scan it, and 3, catch the ghost. Then it says 1, take off the back of the fire truck, then 2, transform into the robot. And yeah, so here are the minifigures. You have got Jack, Parker, JB, TeeVee, Shadow-Walker. Then you've also got Nehmaar Reem, the Harbinger, and then you've also got Blaze and Barr, which isn't really a minifigure, it just like comes with the Lego set. So it's quite cool set, it's got quite a bit of details, so not like the whole thing turns into it. Also the monster looks quite cool. I wonder, does he always have to stand on that base plate? But let's open it up and see what's inside. Got bag 4, bag 6, bag number 3, bag number 2, bag 1, Legoland ticket, and you've got an instruction booklet and a sheet of stickers, which is all in this little bag. Oh, and we've got one more bag, which is bag 5. And there is a completed set of the inside Phantom Firetruck 3000. As you can see, the robots is quite cool. You can just see it on there. And here are the minifigures. You get JB, and you've also got Parker. You got Shadow-Walker, and then you've also got Jack, and then Nehmaar Reem, Harbinger. Oh, and then TeeVee. Comes with actually 2 faces, sad and happy. Let's try and see how this robot can transform. Turn it around. There's the robot. It's very cool. It's got very well detailed. Even has the letters JB on the bottom of it, probably because she, of course, built it. And let's put it back now. So yeah. So inside of it, maybe I should move this to make it a little bit more clear for you to see what's inside. You've got a computer screen and some other cool things. Makes everybody fit inside of it, but definitely not Harbinger, or Nehmaar Reem Harbinger. And it can only fit the 4 characters in, like the 4 goodies. And then inside of this part, you have a fire extinguisher. And then you've also got an axe just lying over there. And the roof is also quite detailed. But thank you for watching my video. If you like it, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to see more. And also see me in my videos and hope you enjoy my fun. Bye.